Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's see our next question. The question is said that given figure shows few data points in the photoelectric effect experiment for a certain metal. The minimum energy for ejection of electron from its surface is. We have to find out the minimum energy for the ejection of electron from its surface. And we have to use the Planck constant as 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So I am giving you 5 seconds to read out this question by yourself, and then I will move on to the solution. So let's move on to the solution. As shown in the figure, we can say that frequency here is 5.5. As we all can see in the figure, the point B is 5.5 comma 0. So we can say that F naught is 5.5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Now we also know the formula of threshold energy. Psi is equal to Planck constant into the frequency. So the threshold energy comes out to be 6.62 into 10 to the power 34 multiplied by the frequency, that is 5.5 into 10 to the power 14. On multiplying these two data, we will get the output as 36.41 into 10 to the power minus 20 joule. Now we have to convert this joule into electron volt. On converting this 36.41 into 10 to the power minus 20 joule into electron volt, the output is 2.27 electron volt. Now we have to check which of these options match with our answer. So we can clearly see that the second option matches with our answer. So we can say that the option second is correct here. 2.27 electron volt is the right answer. Thank you. See you in the next question.